That shit was interesting. No, that is interesting. I was never expecting that. Look at these little Alfa Romeo. Look at this Accord. This shit tough. I'm gonna get my shit going. Got the Supers out here.
Camry.
These shit's clean. Yo, one thing about the...
Oh my goodness, there's some...
I know, they always going out with the Camrys. Camrys always go above and beyond, I'll tell you that. Camry guys, they always go crazy with them. They clean. E46 M3? That's hard. This is clean. With the little Christmas tree lights. Yes, sir. Oh Lord, I'm gonna bust your ass. Oh Lord, the activities is starting up. This 3.7 song dirty. Oh, they on his trunk. Oh, he running! Oh, it's over! Oh! Oh, you caught, boy! Come on, bro, they gonna box you in, my nigga! Let my boy go! Let him go for the homie! Oh, they boxes his ass in! Oh, it's over! Yo! I don't know why he didn't run. Yo, he's dumb as hell. He had the chance to go. He pulled over.
Oh, let's go.
He got quiet about it. Bro, he tried to run, bro. He could have been ran.
Run it.
He tried to run. How you running fail, bro?
Put that shit in.
Bro. They didn't even see him coming down this way.
Bro, I seen them come in. I seen them come.
Look at what we have here.
Okay, Mr. Policeman.
Is that the... Yo, that's a fucking exhaust exit. That's the exhaust exit through the...
I don't know whose car it is, but...
Look at the bucket seats on that. I think he got
It's right hand drive too. See it?
Alright, no problem.
There's Instagram.
They gonna give him a ticket.
He gonna get more than just a ticket.
They gonna let him go. They just gonna give him a
We got the GTI turbo right here. It's clean.
They made him roll down all his windows too.
El diablo.
Y esa
It's a nice turbo down
La
there.
semilla, esa polea te la burla.
The original paint job is yellow.
Yeah, this is just red.
Yellow Evos are really hard to come by.
Yeah, there was only 500 made.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catch can.
It's like the come with the
These are
rally art
limited edition
wheels.
ones because these are the rally art.
Yeah.
Those on top. Yeah.
I was correct,
It
yeah.
has a plate.
Uh-huh.
Passenger side from rally art.
Yeah. This shit rare right here.
Diablo.
That's clean.
Yeah, I'm gonna change the setup though. So like, I have a lot of parts home that haven't installed yet.
Okay.
It's been lagging.
It's
Some
fully
of them
built?
like- Yeah, everything.
Everything fully built.
Transmission too.
TKs.
That's a-
That's a dog box.
That's the dog box. Yeah, I about to say, yeah.
With actually triple disc clutch.
Oh, heavy clutch.
Oh, so you're pushing some.
He
heavy
pushing power.
You're
Hell
pushing
yeah.
power.
Probably like 900s. Who knows?
You're pushing power. If you got all that shit, you don't have that shit for nothing.
My guess is like 700 plus. So.
700 at least.
At minimum.
At a minimum.
Just know that 700 too small for that big turbo. That's 6.7.
Oh.
That's 6.766 dual bull bearing.
6766.
Oh yeah, it's a big turbo.
66 millimeter.
It's a big turbo.
7.
It don't
What
really-
you mean?
for some reason, from this angle, don't look
Well,
big.
hold on.
Look at it.
67.
It's a big turbo.
It's a good angle.
6766.
Yeah, that's a big boy
At
right there.
58, I can believe
Yeah.
at 58 not pushing too much. Bro. I see.
Don't mind me asking what you do for a living.
I can't believe at 58 is not
crazy.
pushing a lot.
I'm crazy.
Huh? If you say that's a 58,
That's a 67. You know what?
you're pushing a lot then.
You know what a dual bull bearing does?
Huh?
You know what a
What
dual
bearing?
does?
Jonah bearing? You have Jonah? Oh, Jonah bearing.